guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely 2023 23 plate Suzuki GSX-S 1000. It is the newer shape, it is a one owner bike and it is only done 160 miles from new. So really cool bike. Every single time we get one of these in, they always fly out of the door, and I'm sure this one as well because it's had a small fortune spent on it. So it's got the Lextek exhaust, it's got a tail tidy, it's got the wrap over it as well. From Sublime Designs, so it's all been fully wrapped up, it looks ace. So with these now, you get the digital display just like the new GSX-R1000, so it's a slightly better display. You get a gear indicator, you get your different traction control settings, you get a quick shifter as well now. This one's got the engine protection, it's got the fly screen, it's got slightly lowered pegs on there as well, and it's ace, it looks the business as well. It's also got some bar risers. It's a cool thing, I think you'll be impressed with it. It looks gorgeous, sounds the business, so if you want to rewind a little bit you'll get to hear it. And like I said, every single time we get one of these in, they always fly out of the door. And this one, looking as cool as it does, I'm sure will be the same. If you do want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.